The behavior of my wife is less erratic than the behavior of NTA this year. The frequency at which my wife's mood changes is lesser than the frequency at which NTA is changing the difficulty level this year. Trust me, so far students have been cribbing that physics is very simple, physics is very easy, we are enjoying solving physics. It has surprised everyone. Only 7 to 8 questions students were able to do in this shift. Hardly 7 to 8 questions. They were lengthy, they were calculation based. Conceptually, they were having good amount of depth. So yes, physics was tough. But remember this is a fact. If it is tough for everyone. So why worry? Just look for the loopholes. Just look for the easier questions and go for them. Because if it is tough, everyone is facing or finding it tough. So go for as many questions as you can, even in that crisis. With that, of course, Sumit sir has suggested or reported that questions were there from rotation, projectile, ray optics, electromagnetic waves, and thermodynamics. And of course, all the other chapters were also there. But do remember, he is clearly advising all the students that solving previous year's questions as many as you all can. If I talk about chemistry, Gaurav sir is pinpointing something very crucial here. He's suggesting that organic and inorganic are having higher weightage than physical in this shift. He has advised that yes, moderate chemistry was asked, and anybody who is decently good at chemistry should have been able to solve 15 to 18 questions in the worst case scenario. And yes, he is highlighting coordination compounds, biomolecules, GOC, and thermodynamics were greatly asked. Same concern, same advice. Keep watching the analysis. This is what he's suggesting so that you can get a better idea about what category of or what sort of questions are being asked, so that you can be well prepared if you are having your examination in the upcoming days. Now, as you know, when you talk about mathematics, we all say it is lengthy, but trust me, it wasn't as compared to the other shifts. It is still easy, except for the shift which was there in the yesterday evening. It was moderate. 10 questions were straightforward. 2 to 3 steps questions were there if you knew the logic, if you could crack them with simple calculation. 4 to 5 more questions were there which were moderate, easy to moderate. They were not even moderate to tough, they were between easy to moderate. Some more steps were there. Conceptually, they were weak, they were straightforward. So 15 questions anybody could do if you are good at maths. Surprisingly, they have this time asked a lot of questions from coordinate geometry, specifically from conic sections. If I could conclude, 4 to 5 questions were there from coordinate geometry, including, conic section. Then, of course, calculus was there, application of derivatives, integration, definite integration, area under the curve, differential equations, it is always there. And then even limits and continuity based questions were there. And then I have talked about algebra, it is always there. And then trigonometry was also there. So combination of chapters was done by IIT and it is always done. Single advice, solve previous year's questions, watch the live analysis so that you can still be well prepared. With that, let's meet tomorrow with the next live analysis.